How to customize your personal information in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add and edit it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this me icon. Simply tap on this me icon. Now, again, tap on your profile picture. And here on the right top, there's an edit button. Simply select this edit button. So this is the place where you can customize your profile. Now, slowly scroll down. Here on the bottom, there's a section of personal information. Here, you can see different options that are available. Now here, you can add them easily. So there are different options like hometown, language, emoji, and different ID and location. So it's up to you where you want to keep it, or you can even leave it as it is. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.